Plan the study schedule. I am telling you guys that if you know what exam you're planning on giving, what your general day to day is like, what is the approximate leave you can get if you're working or you're in college towards the end of the before the exam, you can very easily plan how to study based on which level, based on which exam, based on how much time you have, based on how many exams. Again, I give everybody my example, but when I started ACCA for the first year, I gave the first 6 papers, and that time I was only in college and studying. So I had a very relatively relaxed schedule. But from my second year, when I started giving from the 7th exam onwards, I also started taking up my articleship, my PER. And over there, I landed up understanding that morning I would go to college, then work the whole day, and then in the night, I would land up studying how much have I had to complete whatever my schedule was to ensure. And that time there were exams every 6 months. So I would give 3 exams every 6 months. So my preparation was actually a little more difficult because the longer the plan in the future, the more vague or ambiguous the plan becomes. All that being said, I was more or less clear, right? How much of each subject I had to complete by which week or which month end, how much to speeden up my studies if I'm behind schedule, how many more hours to put in the night, how do I plan my attendance, or what is my leave schedule like. It all becomes part of your study plan. So very important to plan your studies.